Hi, I'm Kate Van Wilgen, and I'm here at our potting table today in order to do a red, white, and blue patriotic container. I grabbed a couple of plants for this that I know are going to work well together. They're going to be full sun plants, and one of the secrets to success of a container is to have something called a thriller, which is something nice and tall in the center, a filler, something that's going to fill in all your empty gaps, and a spiller, something that's going to hang and drape over the side. And that's one of the things that we look for when we're doing a container. So today, for my red, white, and blue theme, I have some Patriot red geraniums that are going to be our thriller. They're going to be nice and tall in the center. I have some white African daisies that I'm going to be filling in, as well as some blue laburnum. I love the little faces on this, with a little pop of white too. And then going a little bit off of our patriotic theme, I'm going to use some Goldi, which is going to be my spiller. It's going to be a nice drape over the side. So come with me as we pot this up. Make sure that you are giving your plants enough soil. We want to make sure that the more soil that you actually have in a container, the less watering and work you're going to have to do. If you have a small container, it means you're going to water a whole lot more. Larger container, larger soil is going to hold on to that moisture. Then you're just going to get to enjoy it and not have to pay attention to it as much. Here we have our red, white, and blue theme in our nice pot. Now, if you are feeling like you don't want to do the planting yourself for a container, but you still want to enjoy the flowers, we have a lot of these pre-made, pre-filled containers in a bunch of different themed colors. This one is like pinks and purples. You can see we've got some petunias in here, we've got supertunias in here, and we have our a different color lobelia in here as well. Happy gardening!